All right. So the time is 7:35. Let's start, guys. Okay. So I welcome you all to the demonstration session on digital marketing. A warm welcome from the team of Digital Nest. And I am Sandeep. So I'm one of the co-founding member of Digital Nest and a senior trainer at Digital Nest. So I think this session would last for 1 hour, 15 minutes of time. And I hope you guys will have a great time learning new skills today, and I hope I'll try maximum to entertain you. And so let's begin the session, guys. All right. So first and foremost, I'm not going to use any boring presentation. Instead, I would be using a mind map. Uh, so let me write the agenda of today's session first, and then we'll go according to the agenda. So first and foremost, we'll introduce about the company, who Digital Nest is, very short and crisp. And then we'll also introduce about the instructor. I'll introduce myself, and then we will also discuss about the programs that are offered by Digital Nest, and then we'll quickly get into the program. Yes. All right. Then we'll also discuss about how the program works at our place, when the entire execution of the program execution, and then we will quickly get into uh, digital marketing course session. This will last for 45 minutes of time. And then we will discuss about various certifications that are there in the program. And then we'll discuss about various career opportunities uh, that are there. That will include basically if you want to get into business, or you want to start your own agency or freelancing, or you want to get into a full-time job or a part-time job or an internship, what kind of opportunities are there, what kind of companies are recruiting, and what is the average package, and all this we'll discuss over there in career opportunities. And then finally, we'll go ahead with why Digital Nest for digital marketing programs. And then we'll go with Q&A, that is question and answer session. At the end, we'll spend 15 minutes of time. You guys can put questions, and then I'll be able to answer. So without further delay, let's start the session, guys. Guys, is my voice audible? Is it clear? Can someone unmute and say yes again? Because someone
Yes.
said in the chat. Okay, can few of you type yes in the chat again? Is it clear? Other than Sai, Sujata, I think others. Few more. There are somewhere around 40 participants. At least 20 of you guys. If you can type clear or yes, then I think we're good to go. Right. I think, Sujata, there is a problem from your end. All right. Good. Good to go, guys. All right. So first and foremost, let me introduce about the company. So Digital Nest is established in the year 2013, and we started our operations in the year 2014. So right now, if the January arrives, then I would say 11 years of expertise that we are having in training and consulting on digital marketing domain. And so far, the alumni size of ours, 6,500 plus students got passed out. The beauty of Digital Nest is the crowd is not just limited to only students. We get working professionals, we get business owners, we get housewives who are looking to restart the career, we get career transition people who doesn't love their job and want to shift to digital marketing domain. And we also get real estate agents, actors, models, or who wants to promote personally, doctors and others. So the crowd is a mix of diverse. I mean, you get different sets of professionals entering the class. And we are located at a high-tech city at Hyderabad. We have 3 offices over there, and we also got 4 plus national awards as well. And then when coming to the awards, so we also in 2016 we got 2017, 2018, and recently 2024. I didn't update my presentation, but so we consecutively we are winning Education Icon of Hyderabad by Times of India, and we are also partnered with Jain University for PG programs. We are having MBA level programs as well, and we are also a Google partner and IBM, and we also had partnership with T Hub for mentorships and AWS Educate programs as well. So these are some of our corporate affiliations. And then let me talk about numbers. So I would say 6,000 plus trained students, and it's still counting. And we are rated 4.8 in Google. And we use more than 5 plus technology apps. More of technology is involved in our training. And more than 2,000 plus students got placed. And we are collaborating with 10 plus corporate companies for internships and placements. So these are some of the numericals. And about me, you can find me on LinkedIn with this name, Sandeep Reddy Santosham. And I am the founder, and now I'm also one of the co-founding member because we also have various investors in the company. So I started my journey as a digital marketer, and today I am more of a marketing automation specialist. And I give consultations to various startups and companies. Apart from that, I also handle subjects on analytics and digital transformation. And I'm also guest faculty at various business schools, to name a few: ICFI Business School, Amity, Hyderabad campus, and Bangalore campus, then Shiva Shivani, Vishwani, and other business schools in Bangalore and Hyderabad. I am also an academic board member for marketing. So this is all about me in short. And now let me quickly get into, I think I'm done with the company and the instructor. Let me quickly get into the programs that Digital Nest offers. So we have four different sets of programs in digital marketing. So we have a short capsule. We call this as a fast track program, and this will last for 2 months minimum. And if you look at our brochure, it is called we. It's more of boot camp kind of program. Uh, and then we also have a mid-level program. We call this as L2 program. And the program name is Certified Digital Marketing Professional, CDP program. This will last for 5 months duration. And then we have a long-term program, which is termed as L3 program. And this is PG diploma program, in which is MBA equivalent program, Masters in Digital Marketing program in association with University, Jain University program. And this would last for 8 months plus 3 months of project work. And along with this, we have one more program which we have recently launched. It's an agency program. This is called OJT, that is on the job training program. So this is academic plus you have to work in a agency. This would be for a duration of 6 to 8 months. So these are the four programs that we have. This is run by us. This is run through an institute. This is also run through an institute program. And this is run through a university, affiliated through a university. And this is a combo of institute plus an agency. Okay, so it is run through a corporate company plus an institute. So these are the four programs that we have. We'll discuss in detail about these programs at the end of this session if you have any questions. And now, quickly, whether you opt for short, mid, long, or agency or whatsoever it is, first and foremost, we'll discuss about how the execution of program happens at Digital Nest. So let me scroll on to the journey of a student at Digital Nest. So typically, let us assume that you guys had signed up for the course. Let us imagine that you have signed up. Tomorrow is your joining day. So once you sign up for the program, first and foremost, there'll be a dedicated learner success management team who will be doing your onboarding. So you have to fill the joining form. We'll add you to our WhatsApp group, our LinkedIn community groups, and our Instagram groups where you can network with your peers. And then we will activate your LMS app. We have an Android and iOS app for jobs. We have a Naukri portal, our own internal application. And we have a learning management app where you can talk to the instructor or you can watch recorded videos or material for your reference. And once your onboarding is done, then next step would be your induction. 4 days, we would be conducting orientation sessions on how the entire program works, what is there in the curriculum, what are the outcomes, and all this would be discussing. And then we will move to the phase three, that is step number three, that is ice breaking sessions. We will be doing group activities, and we'll ask you people to come with presentations, and we'll do SWOT analysis of each and every candidate, that is strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. Okay. In these sessions, we'll get to know what is your goal, whether you are a business owner, do you want to expand your business, or you are a student, you want to get a job, or you are a working professional, you want to you want to do career transition, whether your communication skills are good or bad, whether your analytical skills are good or bad. Based on this session, we will take the data into consideration, and then we are going to prepare a program chart for you, and that's where the program will get started from the fourth step. Once the programs get started, during the course, we will conduct a Viva. Viva is nothing but for every, we'll assign you a project, and the trainers would be conducting for every module, there will be an internal assessment. So Viva will give you material during the course. We'll also conduct assessments. We'll also assign you projects, and every day you will have assignments, and we'll track your attendance, and we'll also take feedback for every module. And once this is done, then during your journey, we every day from 2:30 to 5:30 p.m. there's a dedicated academic mentor who will be helping you with doubt clarification. And on alternate Saturdays, there'll be guest lectures happening at our campus virtually as well as offline as well. You can attend those free of cost. And then once your course is done, on the course completion day, we will also conduct a final assessment, and then we'll push you to a graduation day. And on the graduation day, we'll award you with a certificate. And post your graduation, there are two-step process. In case you are a job seeker, then you will be moved to step number 8, where we will conduct mock interviews, because we have a placement officer and 3 coordinators who will be helping you to, they'll be conducting mock interviews, resume building sessions, portfolio building, interview deck, jam session, group discussion, and everything if you are a job seeker. And then you will be appearing for interviews, and finally you will get converted to an alumni. And then if you are a business owner, or you want to start an agency, or you want to do freelancing, then you will be moved to step number 9. And during this step, we will help you guys with blueprint strategies to set up an agency or to run your business. Then how to set up an agency, how to find freelancing opportunities, how to extract reports, how to mentor your team, how to monitor in case if you give your project to any other agency, how to identify the loopholes or the reporting systems, and everything would be covered in the ninth phase. Then both the business owners and the job seekers, once you are done with the entire process, you'll be moved to alumni. That's the last step. And once you turn out to be an alumni, so we will keep on sending you regular news in the form of once. Yeah, so we will be sending you guys newsletters. We'll also be hosting virtual events or physical events. We'll also conduct workshops, and we'll also conduct networking events. And we have a LinkedIn community group where you can connect with your peers as well. So we have a community manager who will be helping you guys with once you are done with your course. So there's no last day at Digital Nest. Once you enroll, you will be lifelong. There's a community management, and you'll be part of our community. So this is a 10-step process that we implement once you sign up for the program. Now, this is all about the execution part. Now let's quickly get into the session that you guys are waiting for. Actually, what is digital marketing? What are the modules that you guys are going to teach, and how digital marketing works? What are the techniques and how it works? So in digital marketing, basically, the modules that we have identified and started looking, because of 10 years of experience talking to various recruiters and our alumni. So this is what we felt would be the best based on the needs, and we came out with this modules, guys. So first and foremost, we will be teaching you how to set up digital assets. So this will be the module number 1. Just a second, let me mute. Right. Cool. So first and foremost, we'll be teaching you how to set up your digital assets, and then next we'll be moving into digital marketing, and post this we will be moving into digital analytics, and then post digital analytics we will be moving into more advanced modules like generative AI and marketing automations. Then we'll also discuss about CRM tools. Okay. And then following by reporting and budgeting and reporting. And then followed by this, we'll have a career prep. So these are the modules that we are going to teach as a part of digital marketing program. So first and foremost, let's start with digital assets setup. Okay, so there are somewhere around 44 people attending the session. So let me take one or two people from the class. So on top, I don't have any partiality, but on the top of the chat list, I could see Anchal. Okay, so we have Anchal in the class. Okay, Anchal. So let us assume that 44 people of you guys must have enrolled, and tomorrow what is gonna happen? Let's see. So first and foremost, we will, as a part of digital asset setup, we'll ask you people to come with a business name and business idea. Okay. So we'll give you 2 to 3 days of time, and we'll ask you if God has given you an opportunity to start a business, then you have to come with a name and idea. So let us assume that Anchal came with a business called Anchal properties.com or something. Uh, or she must have come with Anchal automobiles or anchalauto.com or automobiles, or she must have come with Anchal boutique, something as such. Okay, she thought, okay, if I got an opportunity, why don't I start business? So Anshul started with, let us assume that she's going with a real estate company. She wants to start anchalproperties.com or anchalestates.com or something as such. So on this business name, Anchal Properties, okay, this is her business idea and business name. Now, what we will ask Anchal, what we are going to teach to Anchal basically is we will be teaching graphic designing first. Okay, so we'll start with setting up the assets. So as a part of graphic designing, we will be teaching how to design a logo for Anchal Properties. So it will begin with logo designing. Then along with logo designing, we'll also ask Anchal to create a visiting card. Okay. Then next we'll ask her to create a flyer or a poster for her company. Then next we'll make her design practically in the class a flyer, visiting card, logo, and along with this cover pics for social media and profile pics with different dimensions. Then next we will also teach her how to make carousel posts, okay, and static posts. And along with this, we'll also teach how to create or how to compose reels or shorts for videos. We'll also teach how to make reels and edit. Okay. Then along with this, we'll also be teaching how to create thumbnails for YouTube or reels or whatever it is. So this entire stack of videos, editing, then graphic designing, all this would be covered. And we will be giving her a tool called Canva Pro. This Canva Pro will cost 1200 to 1300 per month, and this license will be given for free for lifetime because we purchased a license for the company, and we will be sharing that login ID password. You can use it for lifetime until until the license, I think, until we are having that access. So it's a lifetime access. So now that Anchal started a company called Anchal Properties, she's having her own logo, she's having a visiting card, she's having flyers. Now she knows how to create cover pics, carousel posts. In this, we'll be teaching color theory. We'll also be teaching typography, whether you should use Arial font or Times New Roman font, when you should use white color, when you should use black color, what should be the contrast colors, typography, and the aesthetics that are needed. Everything would be covered as a part of graphic designing. Now she knows exactly what is color theory, what is typography, how to create everything. So now once she is done with this for real estate company, she is ready with this entire stack of graphic. Now next we will go on to, next we'll ask her to design, we'll teach her how to design a website. Okay. As a part of website designing, first we'll start with purchasing a domain. Okay. And then along with this, we'll also teach you how to set up your server. Okay. Then next we will be teaching you how to create a lead gen website. And then we'll also be teaching you how to create a blog of your own. Then next we'll also teach you how to create an e-commerce website. So this entire website designing, zero coding, no coding at all. Without writing single line of code, you'll be able to design a beautiful website in 2024. So now I would say 2025. All right. So now let's get into domain purchase. So let me practically show you guys. And I'm also giving you a chance to unmute, and you can ask any questions from here on. Okay, kindly put yourself in mute so that because it is also getting recorded, so I don't want any disturbance. Right. Okay, so guys, so this is Digitalness website. Okay, on top you people can see there is www.digitalnest.in. So this is nothing but we call this as a domain name. So for Anchal, we will be teaching her how to buy this domain, that is anchalproperties.com. So as a part of purchasing the domain, we'll be teaching how to buy this anchalproperties.com domain. So this domain will cost you some 99 rupees to 500 rupees. So we'll ask each and every candidate, whoever signs up for the course, will have a practical project. You guys have to invest 99 rupees to 400 rupees. You can buy .com, .org, .net, .online, .biz, whatever it is. And you people have to come to the class with the domain and we will teach you how to buy this. So now you have a domain name. We already covered how to design your logo, how to design a cover pic. Now we will also be teaching you how to set up your server. So setting up server doesn't mean any coding or anything. You just have to buy a server, because your website photos and everything should get stored in a device, and that's called a hosting space. For which, with single click, you can buy it, and it's very easy to configure. No coding is required. So now that, in simple words, I would say domain is more like buying a SIM card. You have to invest on Airtel or something, and you buying a server, you have to buy some Samsung mobile to store that SIM card. As simple as that. For which we'll be we'll be teaching you how to buy a domain and a server. Now that you have your server, you have your domain, next step would be designing a website. So we will be teaching you right from scratch three websites that you people have to submit as a projects. One will be lead gen website. Two would be creating a blog of your own, and you should create an e-commerce website. So what is mean by a lead gen website? So this is a lead gen website. In case if you people got jobs for example, you're working for a gym, or you're working for a software company, or you're working for a bank, or you're working for a financial institution. For them, what matters basically is, so if I want to buy a credit card, if I go to the website, I should see the phone number and call the phone number. So if I'm calling the phone number, that's nothing but we call it as a lead. Lead is getting generated because the phone number is being submitted to the salesperson. Or in case if there's a button like this, and if you are filling the forms, that's nothing but we are generating what? Leads. Or in case if there's a chat bot like this or chat box, and if you are chatting and giving your basic details, that's nothing but we are generating what? Leads. So all the service based companies would be looking for lead generation. All the real estate boutiques, and not boutiques, I would say hospitals, or you can take healthcare or fintech or edutech, and all these companies would need lead generators. So the primary goal of service industry would be generating leads, for which you have to create a lead gen website. So we will be teaching you how to design this menu bar, how to put this cover pic, how to put pop-ups on your website, then how to put chat box on your website, how to design the entire web page without writing single line of code. You can design beautiful website within 3 to 4 days of time. And then how to create a contact us page, how to put the form, how to put your maps, all this will be covered as a part of lead gen website. So now what I will do basically is, let me show you how easy it is to design a website. Just in 10 minutes I'll show you. Just give me a second, let me log in. So I'm going to the backend of the website. Okay, so this is digitalness.in. This is my WordPress login. So let me log in to my backend. Yeah, so guys, this is the backend. You can see I can create posts, I can add media, I can create pages. If someone is commenting on my blog, I can check the comments, and you will find this entire dashboard. So for now, so let me click on plus new. I'm going to create a page. Let me click on page, a new page. And today's date is 18th December, trial page. I'm just creating a trial page because I should delete this. And I'll be using a Divi builder. Okay, I'm clicking on Divi builder, and build from scratch, or you can choose a ready-made. Already the template is ready, you can use it and you can drag and drop, or you can clone an existing page. So for now I'm starting from scratch. So let me start building. Okay, but I want to show it in the front end, so I'll go to the front end so that you guys can see how I'm doing it. Cool, guys. Again, I'm starting from scratch, build from scratch. So I have already designed my header. This is the header and this is a footer. So this is the body. So let me show you one page. Let us design. So I have to insert a row. So this is single row or there are two columns. I'm going for two columns and there's a three column or there's four column. So let me go with two column approach. In the left side, I want to put content. On right side, I want to put an image. So let me select this. And on the left side, I can go and I can insert text. So you can see there's a text on the left side. Later we can edit it. And on the right side, I want to put an image. So let me take an image. Yeah. Let me browse the library or from my desktop, I'll upload an image. Okay, let me put this image. Right. Now you guys can see the image is there here and you can see the text also here. So if I want to push this text to the center, I can just drag and drop. That's it. Now the text is at the center. Below this text, I want to add a button. So I can go to button and click on this button. And instead of click here, I can go and add enroll now. And I can go to design. I can go to button design and I can use custom styles. If I want in red, you can see red. I can increase the text size or whatever it is, or I can change the color to whatever color needed. And that's it. So the image is on the right and you can edit this content. You can change the colors and all. If you want to edit the background, I want red color background. I can go to this background colors and I can change this to red. Okay, now you can see the color is in red or green or whatever it is. So this is how I can, within fraction of, I think if you give me 3 to 4 hours of period, I think I'll be able to design a beautiful what website with the content. So that's the beauty of 2024 or 2025. There's a lot of automation in place, there's a lot of AI in place, and a lot of page builders are there. Without writing single line of code, you can design a website and you can sell this website. In the market, people charge 5,000 rupees per page, or 3,000 is the base price, and it can go up to 10,000 per page. So if you get a contract nearest at your near your gully, if there is a school, they don't have a website, take 10-page website and charge them 1 lakh rupees with a course, and you can get your course money back. So majority of our students does that. So this is all about what designing a web page, guys, and we will be giving you guys uh, the tool. We'll give you page builders. This is worth somewhere around 25K worth tools will be given for free. Because you need builders to build this, so they are very costly. We have a lifetime license and we'll share those license, and you guys overnight you can design your websites as well. So this is all about lead gen website. Then next, we'll also be teaching you how to design a blog of your own. So for example, if I am going to Google and I'll be searching like how to make biryani. Okay. When I entered this word called how to make biryani, on top you can see Swati recipe is on the top. So let me click on this. So guys, this kind of site that you people see like Times of India news articles and all, they are called magazine sites. This is one of the magazine site. So, how to make biryani recipe? There's a lot of content, images, the step-by-step process, and along with this, you people can see on the right side there's an ad here. Okay, from Dubai. There's one more ad. All the Dubai ads are there. I think the ads will keep changing based on the situation, but you can see there are a lot of ads. Upma recipe also. There's one more ads by Google, and this is nothing but we call this to be a blog. So if you people are interested in writing content or doing research, you want to write about travel, food, or automobiles, or technology, or about politics or movies or scripts or whatever it is, you can write how to go to Goa. You can write step-by-step process, and you can put ads of Make My Trip. You can put ads of Amazon. You can put ads of Flipkart. If someone clicks on this ad, and if they are going to Flipkart website and if they are making a purchase, you'll be getting commissions. That is called affiliate marketing. And we'll also be teaching you in blog how to make money online as well. Make money online. That's nothing but in our language, we call this as affiliate marketing. So how to put Google ads on your website, how to put Amazon ads, how to partner with Make My Trip or Yatra.com or OYO, and how to put their ads on your website, and then how to earn money also will be covered as a part of blogging course. Then next, last in website designing, we'll be moving to e-commerce website, like how to design an e-commerce website, which is similar to what you guys see. It's very simple today. You need not have to do any coding. There are various plugins. You can insert those plugins and you can connect to Razorpay. And sitting at home, you can open a dark store. You go to Surat, get some 1 lakh saris, put them in your bedroom, and open a website and start the sales. People will come to your website, they'll click on add to cart button, they'll go to Razorpay page, they'll click on buy now button, you will get the money in your account. Next day morning, DTDC guy will come and he'll knock your door. You would just have to buy one printer and wrapping cover, and and then you can send that parcel to the customer. So it's as easy as that. E-commerce is very easy today. Anyone can start it sitting at home, and we'll be teaching you all of that in e-commerce marketing as well as e-commerce setup as well. So this is all about the setup, digital asset setup. Next topic would be designing a website and understanding the architecture of the website. Then next, in digital asset setup, finally we'll also be teaching you how to the launching of your social media channels. That could be Facebook, it could be Insta, it could be Twitter, it could be LinkedIn, it could be Quora, it could be Snapchat, it could be Telegram, it could be YouTube, and all this you have to launch. Means your cover pic, your profile pic, your bio, your grid, your aesthetics. We'll also be teaching you the entire grid combinations, how to maintain balance in colors, typography, color theory, posting guidelines, algorithms, and everything we'll be teaching you as a part of launching of social media. Right now your business is ready, guys. Okay, so though you are not a business owner, but then you are having a practical project to do. So you have your own logo, you have visiting card, you have your website, you also have your social media channels ready. Now what do we need? We need people coming in and making the purchase or filling the forms or engaging on your social media. So typically the goals and objectives of digital marketing would be generating leads or generating sales. If it is e-commerce company, for them sales matters. Then along with that, what matters is branding. And as a part of this, people will see social media what engagement means how many followers I'm getting, how many likes, how many comments, how many shares, what is my watch time, how many people are watching my entire reel or whatsoever it is. These are some of the metrics, the final goals of a digital marketing. So to achieve this, we would need traffic coming into your website. So for a person to come to your website and fill the form, or for a person to purchase a product, or for a person to engage on your posts, so definitely what we need is you need people coming in. So for which we people have to learn digital marketing. So in digital marketing, there are two important techniques that you people have to learn. One is called organic marketing, and other one is called inorganic marketing. So now, so far, now I'm getting into the actual topic of digital marketing. So far, we are done with the base setup and introduction to the company. Do you guys have any questions? Let me know. Do you guys have any questions so far? Let me know, because we only have 1 hour. I am supposed to teach a lot of it. If you have any questions, you can unmute and ask related to digital asset setup. If there are no questions, you can type in the chat no. No indicates okay. It will push me to what? To the next topic, that is marketing. Any questions from anyone, guys? No questions, please type no. I want at least 35 people typing no. Indicates okay, good to go to the next topic. Okay, 10 people said. How AI is useful in marketing? We'll come to AI a little late. Okay. Uh, at the end. Yeah. Any questions from anyone? WordPress is security. Yeah, 95% of the websites today are designed in WordPress. It is very secured. You can install secured plugins, cyber security plugins, and you can secure your website. Not a problem at all. Yeah, right. Okay, so assuming that there are no further questions, so I'm moving to the core of today's session, that is digital marketing. Keep this in mind, guys. We only have 1 hour of time, so though I'm a little fast, we will share you the recorded video you can watch. But anyways, now let's get into. There are two. If you want to be a digital marketer, first and foremost, you need to understand how this graphics work, how the website work. Though you are not working on them, no problem. There might be a question, why a digital marketer should learn graphic designing? Because graphic designers will be at my office, they will do it, right? Why should I learn? Why should I learn web designing? I'll pay money to web designer, so he'll get it done for me. Yes, guys, you are right. So as a digital marketer, you need not have to do graphics or websites or something as such. Why we have added this course basically is many business owners are joining our course, and many people are looting their money because business owners don't have any idea about how the web designer is working, and they don't have guide, they do not know how to guide them, and that's the reason we are creating awareness. On the other side, there are many housewives who are joining the course. They wanted to restart their career, so part-time jobs will be easy for them, and they wanted to get an idea, so we are teaching that. There are many agency owners also joining the course, so they also want to understand the entire concepts of the entire digital industry. That's the reason we have added this. And there are many part students who are joining to do part-time, so they can design these graphics and sell logo at 1,000 rupees or visiting card at 1,000 rupees, or they can sell a website at 30,000 rupees or something else. So we have included this in the curriculum. So tomorrow, if you are becoming a digital marketing manager, under you, web designer might work, graphic designer will work, digital marketing team will work, and analytics team also will work. So if you do not know how this concept works, then they will, the team, right? The graphic designer will say it will take 2 days to design. If you are aware of it, you will say, boss, I already know it. I have done something. It will take half day, finish it off in half day. So you can guide and mentor your teams, and that's the reason we have included digital assets in the curriculum. Right. Now, moving forward to the marketing. So in digital marketing, basically, you people have to learn inorganic marketing and organic marketing. So first we'll start with inorganic because inorganic is little interesting. So we'll go there and we'll go to organic as well. So inorganic marketing, if you open Naukri or if you open any job portals, it is also today it is called performance marketing. Okay, which is nothing but data driven marketing. Few people also call this as PPC, pay per click, or few people also call SEM, search engine marketing. All this is one and the same. You can call this to be, or people call this as paid advertising as well. Okay, so any if you come across paid advertising, SEM, PPC, performance marketing, inorganic marketing, it is nothing but the same inorganic marketing. So what is that you people would be learning as a part of inorganic marketing? Let's see in detail. So in inorganic marketing, you guys have to hone your skills on Google Ads Manager. Okay. Previously it was called Google AdWords, and today it is called Google Ads. And then you have to learn Meta Ads suite, Meta Ads, how to run Meta Ads, and you should be proficient with Meta Ad Manager. Meta Ads is a combination of you can run ads on Facebook and Instagram and on Messenger platforms. These are the three platforms. If you wanted to run ads, you need to learn Meta Ads. Then apart from that, we'll also be teaching you LinkedIn ads, and we'll also be teaching you Quora ads. We'll also be teaching you X ads, Twitter ads, then Snapchat ads. Then followed by this, we'll also be teaching you the mobile marketing. Then along with this, you guys should also learn influencer marketing. Okay. Along with this, you should learn OTT marketing, that is OTT advertising, that is Hotstar, and how to run ads in Hotstar or Geo Cinema or whatever it is. Then you also have to learn omni-channel marketing. Omni-channel marketing will include uh, email marketing, SMS marketing, WhatsApp marketing, followed by push notifications like Samosa Tinnawa and all that you guys receive by Zomato or whatever it is. That's push notifications, how to send. So a stack of all this Google ads, Meta ads, LinkedIn ads, and there's something called native advertising also. Okay. Okay. So if you people are proficient with all this, you are nothing but your performance marketer. So now let's quickly get, I cannot teach all this because we don't have that much time, but I'll go with the big daddy of advertising, that is Google Ads. And let me focus on that. Right. So Google Ads, in case if you people are learning Google Ads, you will be getting total 7 certifications from Google directly, free of cost. And you people can work in MNCs as well, like Cognizant, Accenture, Google, Amazon, Facebook. All these companies would, Media Mint, and other companies would be recruiting Google Ad specialist. Okay, And first, now keeping all that aside, let us see actually what is there in Google Ads. So if you want to become a Google Ads expert, there are a few campaigns that you have to run. One is called search ads. Next, you have to learn display ads, and then you have to learn video ads. Then you people have to learn uh, shopping ads, then remarketing ads, then followed by this. There are many more campaigns. For today, I think I hope you guys will understand only this. I will not go more in deep. So let's go with this. So what is mean by search ads? And from here on, I want you people to unmute and talk. It is I don't want this to be like a one-way communication. It should be two-way communication. Then only it will motivate me to give more examples. So you have any question at any point of time, no chats, no typing in comments. I want you people to unmute and talk. Right. So before I teach this entire Google Ads, first let me take few case studies. So it will be interesting. So let us assume that we got a job in Hyundai and they're asking us to run ads for a newly launched Hyundai Creta priced at 21 lakhs or 22 lakhs. So they're asking us to promote this vehicle, a new launch. How to do? Let's see. Let us assume that we also got a job in Mac lipstick company. They're asking us to promote lipsticks using Google Ads. Let's see how to do that. Or we got a new movie of Ram Charan, Game Changer, is coming. So this movie, Dil Raju from producer, he appointed you as a marketer. How are you going to market that movie? Let's see. Or let us assume that you got a job in Vijaya Diagnostic Center, and they want to promote their diabetic plans or treatments or what checkups. So how are you going to promote a diagnostic center? Let's see. Apart from this, let us also assume that you got a job in Javed Habib Saloon. You started a new branch somewhere in Kukatpally. How are you going to promote? Let's see. I think this is enough, or any examples if we get, we'll use it. All right. So keeping this case studies in point of view, I mean, few cases in point of view, let us start the journey of search ads. So what is mean by search ad basically? And let me take because too much of investment is in real estate for research. So let us assume that Anchal Properties .com. She started a real estate company, and she is having somewhere around two gated communities, and she's having some 1,500 flats to get sold. Average ticket size is somewhere around 1.5 crore each flat. She has to sell these flats. Is Anchal there or she left? Let's see. She's there. Okay, right. All right. So Anchal started this and she also wants to promote and she wants to sell these flats. Let's see. Right. So now let me get into search. So uh, let me go to Google search. And I, as a customer, I want to buy a flat. So I'm searching for flats for sale in Hyderabad. Okay. I just use this word. Okay. So I'm searching for this word, where in a search engine called Google. This word, whatever I entered as a customer, flats for sale in Hyderabad is called a keyword. Okay. And for this keyword, you can see there is sponsored, which is nothing but an ad. So there's an ad number one, then you have ad number two, then you have ad number three, then you have ad number four. And at the bottom also you will find overall you will find four ads on top plus three ads at bottom. So overall you'll find how many ads? Total seven ads. After 10 results, you'll find. Now let us assume Anchal is working for Urban Rice, and let us assume that this is anchalproperties.com. Okay, this ad number one, and then on top we have Hema Bhaskar Rao. Okay, so the Bhaskar Rao is working for ASBL company, and he is getting paid 7 lakhs or 8 lakhs package, and his management asked to run an ad. He is running this ad, and then we have Nikhil, who is working for Raj Pushpa Properties. Now, these three people are into real estate, and everybody wants to get the top spot because they want people to click on their ads. So how does this concept work? Let us see. So Anchal, who is working for Urban Rise or Anchal Properties, she went to Google and she told to Google, if someone is searching for this word called flats for sale in Hyderabad, I am ready to pay 70 rupees per click. PPC, that is pay per click. So she is using a technique. That's technique is called pay per click. Okay. So Anchal went to Google. She designed this called headline, guys, and this is called description, and these are some of the links, site links. So she created a beautiful ad, and she told to Google, Google, I'm ready to pay 70 rupees per click. Put me on top. So what is this? The concept of pay-per-click is nothing but if a customer goes to Google and search for a particular word, and if your ad is already triggered, if they click on this ad, 70 rupees will go from her debit card or credit card or internet banking or whatever it is. So I, as a customer, I went and I clicked on this ad, 70 rupees gone from my account. Then second person came, he also searched for the same word, 140 rupees gone. Third person, 210 rupees gone. 10 clicks, 700 rupees gone. Into 30 days, 21,000 rupees. She will be investing only for what? Flats for sale in Hyderabad, and she'll be getting people coming into her website. Now, the second person, Bhaskar Rao, who is working for ASBL, he said he is ready to pay 60 rupees per click. Okay. His bid price is 60 rupees. Okay. And the third person is Nikhil, who is working for Raj Pushpa. He is saying he is ready to pay 50 rupees per click. So all the three are in the competition, and everybody are investing their money, and Google is what displaying their ads. And people are, we all are lazy. Today, though, we don't even have time. In case I'll go to Google, I'll search for flats for sale in Hyderabad. If I find this ad, I'll click on this ad. If I'm happy with this, I'll not even move to second. So maximum three, one, two, three, four, five, max to max six or seven research will be doing. Whoever is coming on top is the winner in the Google search game. And the laziness of customer is an opportunity for a marketer, because people are lazy, they trust Google and they are clicking only on the top spot. So I'm supposed to run what search ads, and people will click, they'll come to my website, they'll fill the form, my sales team will give a call, and if they're buying a flat, I'll be getting 1.5 crore rupees. So 70 rupees is not a big deal per click. Let 70 rupees go. But if he's purchasing a product, I'm going to get what? 1.5 crore revenue. So this is how search ads work, guys. So any questions? And it's very simple. Keep this in mind. Anyone can run these ads. There is no coding, nothing as such. You just have to go there, find out what people are searching. That is called keyword analysis. Then you need to you have to design a beautiful ad and submit to Google, and then your ad will start working. And as people are lazy, they'll trust Google, they'll click on this and they'll land on the website, and we are getting traffic out of it. That's called marketing. Right. So any questions from anyone related to search ads, let me know. You can unmute and you can talk. Any?
I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
So, like to get on the above the all the search ads and be the first one, there would be some clauses or any things to be considered for being the first on the top, right?
Right. So tell me, will Google consider only money, or is it going to consider other things as well?
So, as far as I understand, it must be the right keywords, the right wordings, which would attract more customers. Is it so?
Yeah. Just wait for a while. Let's take few more questions and then I'll come back to you.
Okay.
Right. Any other questions from anyone, guys? I want you people to unmute and talk. Else it will be boring. No questions. Okay. So you guys are clear with this concept? No questions? So if you guys do not have any questions, can you type no in the chat? So you're clear with this concept? Can you type no? All right. So now let me ask you guys a question. Okay. Point. I think someone, I do not know, I didn't trace her name, but somehow good question she had asked. So I'll ask you guys a question. Now, the Bhaskar Rao, who is working for ASBL company, suddenly what he did, right now the time is 8:24. He suddenly increased this bid price to 80 rupees per click. What will happen to this ad, second ad? Tell me, guys. What will happen to the second ad? He increased. Before it was 60 rupees, he is in second. Now he increased the bid price to 80 rupees. What will happen? I want you people to unmute and talk. No chatting. Type in the, you can unmute and talk.
So he
Maybe,
will be on the first place.
He'll come to the first spot. Okay. Others?
yeah, maybe it comes to the first spot.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
Yes, it is only first spot.
it will come to top one. Okay. All right. So now the answer is I'll ask in the chat now. Okay. Guys, how many of you agree that it will go to top? Can you type yes in the chat? I want all the 33 people to respond. Will it go to top, yes or no? If I'm increasing the bid price. Three people said yes, four people said yes. Okay, whoever is saying no, can you answer? Why no? The ones who are saying no, can you answer? Why is it so? Why no? Maybe based on traffic, compare the value. Okay, no. All right, so I'll give you the answer. The answer is not yes nor no. The answer is maybe. It might go or it may not go. We do not know. Why? Bole to I'll give you an answer. Now you will have a question. Okay, before you said that 70 rupees is on top. Now this guy is paying 60 rupees per click, and this guy is paying 50 rupees per click. Now, as I'm investing more money, I should go to top. No, this is not how Google works. The answer is Google is going to consider two important factors. One is called cost, and it will also consider quality score. Okay, it will multiply your ad to appear on top. It is going to consider two factors: cost into quality score. If you have more money doesn't mean you'll get the top spot. You should also have good quality. Now the next question that you guys will ask basically is, now what is this quality? Okay, like the one she was mentioning keywords or something as such, but I'll give you an idea. But this quality to teach, it will take 4 to 5 days. But one small example I'll give you so that you guys can understand. So I searched for flats for sale in Hyderabad. This guy, though is investing 70 rupees, is in first because maybe his quality is good. Though this guy is investing 80 rupees, his quality is not good, so he might be in second. So what is mean by quality? Let's see. So I'm a customer. I went to Google. I searched for flats for sale in Hyderabad. I clicked on this ad. When I clicked on this ad, this website or the first website loaded in just 10 seconds. 10 seconds. In a flash of seconds, it just got what loaded. The next website took 50 seconds to load. The speed of the first one is 10 seconds and the second one is 50 seconds. Which is fast, guys? First or second? First one or second one?
First one.
It would be first one.
Why? Because it is loading what? Fast. Now, you being a customer, would you love first website or second website? Think from customer point of view. Don't think from Google point of view. If this is loading fast, would you love to go with this website or would you like to go with this website?
We'll go with first one, sir, which loads faster.
Which loads fast, right? So speed is a factor in quality. So your server speed, the content that you write, okay, the traffic that you have on the website, okay, and followed by this, the quality of the ad that you have designed, okay, with the words and everything, followed by the engagement rate on your website, your UX design, your UI, your architecture of your website, all this would matter for a quality. So Google is going to multiply cost and quality. Though you are paying 150 rupees, you might be in second position. Though the other guy is paying 70 rupees, he can come to top spot if his quality is good. So you bring a 8th class student to me within 4 to 5 hours. It's simple, guys. Nothing is there. You just have to go and type these words and create an ad. Ad will run. Running an ad is easy. Optimizing an ad is important. That is called performance marketing. Every business owner wants their person to go to a tender and win at a lower cost. So at a cheaper cost, I want to win the auction. At a cheaper cost, I want to be in the top spot. That's important. For which you people have to learn campaign optimization. Running campaign is easy. Optimizing the campaign will be, you have to spend some time understanding the data and taking the what decisions, for which you are supposed to increase quality score, and that's what we'll be teaching you as a part of this course, how to optimize your campaigns. So this is how your Google ads work. It works on quality and then cost, and based on that, then the ranking is given on top 1, 2, and 3 and 4. So I'm done, guys. So you guys are having any questions now, let me know related to this search ads. You can unmute and you can talk if you have
So
any.
you said that depending on the quality, you will be getting better response, correct? So I
Quality
was
and
thinking
cost,
if it,
both.
quality and cost, and any third criteria if they're like
There is no
a
other
website.
criteria. The formula is cost into quality for your client. That's it.
Okay, so if there is a like a customer has a good review or
No, no, nothing as
good,
such. It will not see
nothing.
review. It doesn't know anything. They wrote a
It
program,
only require the website, better
right?
website,
It will depend on the quality and cost. That's it.
content. Okay,
Whether your rating is 1 star, 2 star, Google doesn't know because the program is written as such.
okay, okay.
Okay.
So it also take anything like multiple pages or single page
Only
website.
single page where you are going to land. That's it. If I click on this ad, where your website is, where you are going to land. That's important.
Oh, right. Thank
Yeah. Any other questions, guys, from anyone?
So there's a possibility that Urban is paying 50 rupees per click and Raja Pushpa is paying 150 rupees per click
Mm-hmm. Okay.
because Urban's quality is good and Raj Pushpa's quality is not that good. But
Mm-hmm.
although Urban Bean has a good quality, but he's paying just 50 rupees. That's why
That's
he's in
what
the top.
it will multiply both, and it will see who is both multiplication of both. It will give you the rank. So for example, let me take. Uh, so you're asking me to teach everything, but I'll give you because you asked a question, so I should not disappoint you. So let us assume 70 is your bid price, your price multiplied by 10 is your quality. So you are getting 700 marks. The other guy is paying 150 rupees per click and his quality is at 6 marks, let us assume. Okay, 150 into 6 is how much? 900. So whose ad will come on top, guys? First or second?
Second.
Second one will come on top. As simple as that. It will multiply cost and what? Quality. It will take an average and put them on top. But you can see the second guy is sitting with what? 70 rupees only in second position. So that's how the entire bid works. Got it?
Got it.
Okay.
And who determines the quality?
That Google machine learning algorithm will decide. No
All
one
right.
can decide. Yeah, it is the Google who will decide, and it will also give you in the dashboard backend. It will show you also what is your quality, and you have to improve it.
All right. All right.
Done. All right. Then any other questions from anyone, guys, before we move to the next? Okay. Right. So now, assuming that, so can you guys type no in the chat? I want everyone to type no. There are now 31. Okay. So if you people can type no, indicates okay, good to go to the next one. From here on, I'll be a little fast, guys, because we are running out of time. We are already done with 1 hour of our time. So the time is given to me 1 hour 15 minutes. So I'll be a little fast from here on. Okay. Right. So now what is meant by display ad? So one, we are done with search ad. So let me open Times of India website or any website for that matter. Okay. Let me open Times of India website. And whenever I open a website, you people can see there's an LG ad here, there's an ad here, there's an ad here. You can see there's a video ad here. Okay. You'll find a lot of ads. This called, I mean, there are 21 sizes of ads that Google will permit, and you people can run these ads in any of the websites. How does this display ads work? Let us see. So first and foremost, you can run ads based on website URL. So for example, you got a job in, so Anchal wants to promote her property site, her property ads on Times of India. She can go to Google and say, show my ad in Times of India. Then her ads will be shown where? In Times of India. Or show my ad in tv9.com. Then your ads will be shown in tv9.com. Show my ad in India Today. Then your ads will be shown in India Today. That means you can target based on what? Website URLs. And let us assume that you got a job in MAC lipstick company, the lipstick products, and you want to promote. Then uh, uh, I want to target only women, then I can show this ads only to women and men cannot see the what ads. So you can target based on gender as well. Okay. So that is next targeting is based on gender. Can they can only see the ad, but men cannot see the ad. Or you're working for Axe product and you want to show only to men, then you can show only to men. Then I gave you one more example, like you are working for Hyundai and you can target based on content also. So how the content works, let me tell you. So here somewhere I'm reading an article. When I'm reading this article, somewhere here the word Skoda is written. Okay, if the word Skoda is written here, Hyundai can show its ads. Or if the word here Panasonic is written here, Samsung can show its what ads. That is targeting based on what content. Then along with content. Then you can also target based on age. So I told you, right. So for example, you're working for Vijay Diagnostic Center. You want to run a diabetic ad. Then you can only show ads 40 plus people to 65 or whatsoever it is. You can target based on age. Only those age people, if they open Times of India, they'll be able to see the ad. But if 20 years people they are opening the ad, they cannot see Vijay Diagnostic ad. That is targeting based on what age. Then you people can target based on location as well. So let us assume you opened a new kidsy school, a franchisee in let us assume in Gachibowli at Hyderabad. You want only Gachibowli people to see the ad. Only Gachibowli people can see the ad, but Dilshuk Nagar or other area people, Mumbai area people cannot see the ad. So you can target based on what location. As such, there are 200 plus targeting options where you can take your ad to the right audience using what display ads. So there are 21 sizes of ads. You just have to design these ads using AI or using Canva or using your graphic, and then go to Google and then start targeting these ads to the right audience, and then your ads will be shown to them. So this is how display ads work. And then next, we'll move on to what video ads. So whenever you open YouTube, you'll find skippable ads and you'll also find what non-skippable ads as well, isn't it? Sometimes you have to watch the entire ad. Sometimes you'll find after 5 seconds, you'll find after 5 seconds, you'll find skip button. So the only difference between this and this is here it is in the form of an image. Here the ad is in the form of a video, but targeting will remain what same. So you can go and say show my ad in T series channel. There only your ads will be shown. Show my ad only to men. Only men when they open the YouTube they'll be able to see the ad. Show my ad only to Hyderabad people. Only Hyderabad people can see. Show my ad only to Gachibowli people. Only Gachibowli people can see. So the targeting will remain what same. The only difference is the concept. Then next we'll also be teaching you shopping ads. So basically what are shopping ads basically? So for example, I want to buy a silk sari. So I'm going to Google and I'm searching for what silk sari. So when I'm searching it with this word called silk sari, you people can see there is a sponsored word. Okay. Along with this, you can see there are few ads of saris. There is from Vast and area. Then we have Karagiri. Then we have Karagiri. We have Okay. No one knows this. We all know Mintra. We all know Sheen, or we must be knowing any such application, but these are not brands. But these people are competing with Amazon and others by putting what their shopping ads on Google. So we'll also be teaching you how to create a shopping ad where you can show your photograph of the sari, or you can put the name, your price and everything. If they click on this, they can go to the website and they can purchase your product. So these are called product listing ads, or we call this as shopping ads, and these are best for e-commerce industry. And that also will be covered. And apart from this, we'll also be teaching you remarketing ads. So basically, what is remarketing? So you want to buy a laptop, okay? So you want to buy a Lenovo laptop. Lenovo laptop, you have gone to Google, you have gone to Amazon, and you added this to cart, okay? But you didn't purchase. I mean, the purchase is not done yet. So purchase is yet pending, okay? So now what will happen? All the products that are there in the cart, wherever you go to Instagram, the ad will follow, you go to Facebook, the ad will follow, you go to YouTube, the ad will follow. Have you guys seen this kind of ads, guys? You add a product to Mintra every day, push notifications will come 20% off, 10% off. You'll get emails, please purchase this product. You'll get ads wherever you go to any applications, you are playing games or you are watching videos or anything, you'll come across this kind of ads. This ads are nothing but we call this as what? Remarketing ads. Have you guys come across this kind of ads? Remarketing ads?
Yes, nowadays regular.
Right. Okay, so we'll also be teaching you how to set up this as well. So this is all about what Google Ads, guys. So this Google Ads module will take at least 30 days to 40 days for you to learn. And for you to become an expert, it will take at least 6 months to 1 year to become an expert. But to learn, I think 40 days is required. So if you guys are learning this, I would say Google is the father of advertising and Meta Ads is the mother of advertising. Okay. So if you learn Google Ads, Meta Ads will be a little easy, but Meta is the king now because it has acquired WhatsApp, it has acquired Instagram. Then to compete with Snapchat, it brought stories. Then to compete with TikTok, it has brought Reels. Then there is a Messenger. Again, in Messenger, there are ads. Then on Facebook, you'll have marketplace ads, feed ads, right side ads. Everywhere there are a lot of ads, and Facebook knows your entire information. If you are in depression, it knows. If you are watching any depression videos, you'll get meditation ads by Cult. Okay, if you are watching shoes reels, then you'll get Adidas ads. Okay, if you went and wrote on Facebook that you got married, then you will be getting honeymoon ads. So your entire whatever you guys are doing, your entire personal information, everything is stored with Meta, and detailed targeting can be done through Meta ads, and this all will be covered as part of Meta ads. Now, once you people have learned this Meta ads and Google ads, LinkedIn, Quora, Twitter, and all these are like children. Within 4 hours or 4 days or 3 days, you'll be able to learn and you can implement. And then we'll also be teaching you mobile marketing, how to run ads in Truecaller, how to run ads in Roboso, ShareChat, in Shorts, and other applications as well. The next, we'll also be teaching you native advertising. Native advertising is nothing but when you are reading any article in between, you people can see this is looking like an article, but this is an ad actually. These are sponsored ads. It looks like an article, but this is not an article. This is an ad. This is called native ads. While you are reading any article, you'll find ads like articles. So how to do this with third-party vendors also will be covered. Then next, how to become an influencer, or how to earn money through YouTube or through blogs or through affiliates would be covered. Or if you are a business owner, how to partner with influencers, how to launch an influencer program, how to give coupon codes to them, how to find their contact numbers or their details, how to collaborate with them, how to negotiate with them, how to launch this entire programs would be covered in influencer marketing. Then apart from this, we'll also be teaching you OTT advertising, that is how to run ads on Hotstar and Geo Cinema and other applications. And then we'll move to email marketing, how to send bulk emails, how to write cheesy subject lines, how to make sure that email goes to inbox, not to spam. Then how to send bulk SMS, then how to write WhatsApp automations, like how Book My Show is sending you a ticket with green tick on your WhatsApp. Then how to send push notifications if you're working for any application. All this would be covered as a part of inorganic marketing or performance marketing. So, performance marketing, in simple words, I would say this is more like making a Maggie. It is instant. You'll get instant results. So, you want leads, go and put money, you will get instant results. You'll get. Okay. If you want organic marketing, is more like making a biryani. It will give you long-term results, but it is time-consuming process. You need to wait for the results to come because lot of content marketing techniques you have to use where for organic marketing here, as you are paying money, your ads will start running the very next second that you invest money. So now let's discuss about organic marketing. So we are done with inorganic. I'm moving to organic, and in organic marketing, you people have to learn local SEO, then you have to learn SEO, then you have to learn SMM, or we call SMO, social media optimization. So what does it mean by local SEO? Local search engine optimization. SEO stands for search engine optimization. So who is the father of search engines? Again, let's go to Google. So I want to go to a salon. So I'm typing salons near me. Okay. I just searched for salons near me, and you people can see there are few maps that are coming. Okay. You can see the Pebbles Hair and Beauty Salon. These are Google Maps. Okay. And as I'm currently at High Tech City or Kondapur, so I'm able to see Pebbles Hair Salon, not ad, sorry, the map. So this is Pebble Hair Salon. Then you have Define Hair. Then there is a Revolution Unisex Salon, and then there are many more salons in Kondapur area. But why Google is showing only these three because they have implemented local SEO for their business. So what is local search engine optimization? So if you want to learn this, first and foremost, you have to, for your business, you need to create a Google map as a business listing, and then you need to optimize this in the maps. And then if your map is going to top in Google search, so people are lazy, they'll click on this map, and they will click on your website, or they'll come directly to your store, or they might give a call, and they might book an appointment as well. So for which you have to work on what? Google Maps. So locally you are promoting using Google Maps, zero investment. If I'm saying organic means it's completely free. No money is involved. In this, money is involved. Free of cost, you have to dedicatedly keep working. Doesn't mean you have more ratings, so you'll come on top. This guy is having 6,600 ratings, but this guy is having 931 ratings. He's coming on top. So it doesn't depend on rating. It depends on a lot of optimization techniques that will be covered as a part of the course. Then next you have to learn search engine optimization. So search engine optimization means you have to work on what website. Okay. So below these maps, you people can see there's a Just Dial website coming on top. Then you have Fresha website. Then you have India Mart. Then you have up to 75. All these websites that are coming on top are, there is no sponsored word here. These are called search engine optimized what websites. So on your website, if you're writing good content according to Google guidelines and Google algorithm, if you can satisfy the algorithm and design a beautiful website and write a beautiful content and optimize it, there's something called on-page optimization, off-page optimization, server-side optimization. All these three optimization techniques, if you use, slowly your website will come from 10th page to ninth to third to first, and then you will start ranking on what top in Google search, and people might click on ad and they may come. People might click on this ads, or people might click on search ad, or people might click on maps, or people might click on your SEO results. So these are the three results in the search. That is, shopping ads are available, then you find local SEO listings, then you find SEO listings, and you'll find search ads. From all this, you can pull traffic to your website, and they might purchase your product, or they might fill the query form. That is nothing but lead generation. So you have to learn SEO, and it is free of cost. Then apart from this, you need to implement content marketing strategy or social media marketing strategy. So in this, we will be teaching you how Instagram algorithm works, how Facebook algorithm works, how Twitter algorithm works. Then next, we'll also be teaching you how to make content calendar. Monday what to post, Tuesday what to post, Wednesday what to post. Okay, based on the platforms. Then next, we'll also be teaching you social media automation tools, like how to automate your entire social media. You post in the platform, it will only post everywhere. You need not have to go and post in every single platform. Then next, we'll also be teaching you social media analytical tools and social media listening tools and analytical tools. Okay. So how to analyze how many comments you are getting, how many followers, why there's a drop in followers, from which city people are following, what age group people are following, and how is your engagement, which post is performing, how your competitor posts are performing. And then if someone is writing bad comments, that's called online reputation management, how to identify them. And all this will be teaching you as a part of social media optimization. So as a digital marketer, you should be having a knowledge about how to set up digital assets. Then apart from that, you should be knowing inorganic and what organic marketing. So with this, we are almost done, guys. So let me wrap up. So let me start with this. So we'll start with designing your logo, visiting card, cover pic, your website. Then you will be launching social media channels. Then we'll go to performance marketing. We'll teach you Google ads, Meta ads, LinkedIn ads, and all the paid advertising techniques. Then we'll go to organic, local SEO, SEO, and social media. From all these sources, you guys are getting traffic coming in. Traffic is nothing but the visitors or the users would be landing on your website, or they might be landing on your social media pages. So to track how many people are visiting your website, how many people from Facebook are visiting your website, how many people are coming from Twitter, how many people are coming from display ad, how many people are coming from YouTube, to track all this, you have to measure. So to measure this, you guys have to learn Google Analytics. So in Google Analytics, you people can track how many people are coming to the website, how many people are doing time pass, how many people are on homepage, how many people are really buying the product, how USA people are behaving, how Hyderabad people are behaving, how Android people are behaving, how Samsung Galaxy people are behaving, how Chrome browser people are behaving, this entire metrics, browser wise, location wise, demographic, how men are behaving on your website, how female people are behaving on your website, how age wise report, all these reports you can extract. And based on that, you will be setting up what digital marketing strategy for the next month. Again, you will revise your entire strategy plans that are required and for which you people have to learn analytics. So with this, you are a digital marketer. So now once we are done with digital marketing, digital assets, then we'll also be teaching you what digital analytics. So analytics will include web analytics, which will also include email analytics. Then you also have social media analytics. All these analytics will be teaching you as a part of the course. And then we will be moving to an advanced modules. Mostly in PGP program, we have all these modules. We'll be teaching you generative AI tools that are needed for a marketer. You submit a prompt, automatically it will give you content calendar. It will give you the captions and everything, how to use generative AI in marketing. Then next we have marketing automation tools. Okay, how to automate your entire marketing journey of a customer till the purchase. Then next we'll also be teaching you CRM HubSpot tool. And then we'll also be teaching you how to extract reports of your team and how to set up reporting system and how to allocate budgets for your campaign. These all are advanced topics that we'll be covering as a part of the course. And finally, we will be landing in career prep. So career prep, again, there are two sections of people I already told you. One would be job seekers and other would be business owners or freelancers. So we have different module here. For job seekers, I told you already, we will help with what the resume building. We'll also help with mock interviews and we'll give interview decks. All this will be done. And finally, we'll be building a portfolio basically. So what is meant by portfolio? Let me open a website, a sample portfolio page and show you. Okay. So guys, this is a sample page. It's not a real page. It's a sample page. So your photograph, when you enroll, once you are done with your enrollment, we will at the end, before the end of the program, we'll design a portfolio of yours. Your name, your details, your resume, link, your education, your experience, your certifications, languages, your hobbies, your awards, your badge details, and your if you're a business owner, your business details, your intro video. And for every module that we teach, there is an evaluation that keeps happening at the at our campus. So in graphic designing, out of 100%, how many marks you got? Website designing, SEO, Google Ads, Meta Ads, content marketing, email marketing, script writing, AI tools, social media, e-commerce marketing, marketing funnel, your attendance, your teamwork, your leadership, whether you can act in reels, public speaking, content writing, copywriting, and all the projects and assignments that we give you will be attaching in the form of a web page. And then what our team is going to do basically is there is a placement team of one manager and two executives. We have three people. These three people would be doing an outreach activities. So they would be going to the offices and they will be carrying your resumes, your portfolio, and they'll be bargaining with the company HRs to give the best packages. So in case if you are more than 85 percentile marks, if you got overall, then we will, even though you are a fresher, we will not share the resume to the company until they are ready to give minimum 5 lakhs towards 7 lakhs of what package. As such, we have built a evaluation process. There's a stringent assessment. We are only filtering the candidates. We are only taking the interviews and finding out the right candidate for a right company, and we are going and placing the candidates. So this is how the entire placement works. It works on a concept called scoreboard. The bigger the score that you get, okay, the bigger the package is. So it all depends on your performance, and there's an evaluation criteria for it as well. So this is how the entire job seekers process work. And before we go for a scoreboard, we'll be helping you guys with all these decks. And every alternate Saturday, there's a campus drive. We'll be calling 3 to 4 companies for a campus drive, and we'll be conducting campus drive sessions as well. And if I have to show you, just give me a second. Let me open LinkedIn. What of a student posted? Let me go to. Okay. Just a while ago, when I was browsing LinkedIn, I came across this post. So this is Syed Fayaz, one of our student. So you can see we have this digital is proudly present toppers of the batch PGP, this postgraduate program, seventh batch module for website designing. We have first place this person got, second place Pooja Patil and Manisha Ladda. So like this, there's an evaluation that keeps going, and see, you can see there's a grade sheet. So Syed Fayaz got 97 marks out of 100. As of we are maintaining a evaluation sheet, and we'll be posting those marks in the groups as well. So this is how we are maintaining to make sure that, okay, whether you are really great, whether you have learned it or not, or if you are less than 65 percentile, again we are grooming you guys to put, again we are helping you guys to what, move to the topper zone so that you can get placed easily. So this is how we this is the entire process of what placements that we follow. And for business owners, as I said earlier, at the end, we are conducting 5 special sessions for business owners, helping them to achieve their outcome. They must have come to a course. During the course, they'll be learning everything according to the business, how to set up a strategy that will be covered in these 5 days. And if it's a freelancer, how to grab opportunities, how to give quotation to clients, how invoicing works. All this, because we also are having an agency as well. So whatever the clients we are dealing, the experience, that all this will be sharing with the business owners and freelancers as well. So this is all about the career prep. And now let me move to the certifications part. Certifications, I think I'll be writing here. Let me remove all this. Yeah. So if you are going for short-term program, then you guys would be getting total 7 certifications, 6 from Google and 1 from Digital Nest. If you are going for mid-level program, which is run by Institute, you'll be getting total 11 certifications. 6 from Google, 1 from our company, and 1 from HubSpot and SEM Rush and Hootsuite. And if you're going for a university program, you'll be getting 21 certifications, like how you get in your colleges. For every module, there's a transcript that you get, and you'll also be getting the final marks memo and certification as well. And this and the final PG diploma certificate will come from Jain University, Bangalore. And if you people are going for agency program, which is similar to, you will be getting total 11 certificates. And this agency program is a premium program where you will be getting an offer letter from the company. There's an interview process to get selected for this particular program. And apart from this, you will also be getting 5K stipend from the company. Okay, and 5,000 as stipend for 6 months, and you'll be getting your relieving letter as well as your experience letter as well. It's more often you are working in a company. That's an agency OJT program, on the job training program. So these are the various certifications that are there. And then before you guys ask me questions, let me show you a 8-step process that we follow. So what makes us unique? Basically, there are technology platforms. We use apps for learning and community building. So we have Android and iOS app with LMS integration, and we also have a placements app, which is in the web. It is jobs.digitalness.in. This is Digital Mob website. In this, if you people go, once you sign up for the course, we'll give you login ID and password. Forever, you will have this access. You can go to this Digital Mob website and you can apply for jobs. So you can see digital marketing training 15,000, digital marketing 30,000, 3 lakhs to 4 lakh package. Every day, what are the openings that we keep getting, we'll be uploading here. And you guys can click on apply now button similar to Naukri, and your resume will be sent to the recruiter and to our placement officer as well. So we have invested so much on technology, and we built our own what Naukri platform, and we have 3 people. I mean, they are for the placements, right? So this is our technology platforms that we have invested in. And then content, every 6 months the curriculum keeps changing at digital, because every 6 months there's an advancement in Instagram, or let it be Facebook or YouTube. They come with new features, so we keep updating the curriculum which is industry relevant, and we always take feedback from the recruiters. And whenever our student goes to an interview, there's a feedback form. Whatever questions they are asking, in case if something is missed, then we'll keep adding to the curriculum to make sure that it is always relevant. And the entire course is taught through case studies and projects. And we'll also focus on soft skills for the people who are lagging as well. And there's a dedicated learner success manager. In this, there are 2 people. A non-academic support, you'll be getting academic support in case if you have any grievances or any issues with the course, or issues with the trainers or instructors or mentors, or the program, you can report to the grievance cell. And for your doubt clarification, we have a academic mentor who will be helping you with doubt clarification as well. Then entire course is result driven approach. As I showed you, it's all completely continuous. Assessment will be there for every module. So, and there'll be a dedicated mentor who will evaluate your assessment as well. And all the faculty of digitalness, we are a total five in number. All the five are agency owners and entrepreneurs and are real-time experts. And then this entire curriculum is designed keeping agencies in point of view, and we also kept academics also in point of view. And we also partnered with various agencies for placements as well. With this, we had come out with these programs. And I already spoke about placements. And finally, community building. So community building is a key for you to exchange with and network with your fellow mates. So right now the size of our alumni is 6,500. We are having a dedicated LinkedIn group, and then we also have a dedicated community group on WhatsApp, on Telegram, as well as on Instagram as well. And I'll be showing you those images as well. And we, even after your course, as the curriculum keeps changing, we are coming with newsletters. We are also hosting events to make sure that you guys are upskilling with us forever. So these are some of the 8 points which says we are unique when compared to others. Right. Now the training modes. We are having classroom trainings. We also have online. We also have hybrid. You can come to class or you can attend online. We also have e-learning, self-paced recorded videos. You can learn at your convenient time. All the modes are available. You can learn at any time, at anywhere. Uh, then this is our technology app. You can see your profile, your timeline, your inbox, your groups, your courses in forums. You can go and you can ask your jobs. Everything will be there. The app name is DNC Classes, that is Digital Classes app. And you can click on the videos and you'll be able to watch the recorded videos as well. And this I have already spoken. Let me go to. Okay, these are some of the photographs of our alumni who is working in Google. They are working Yup TV, ISB, Dell, Genvi Medium, Cognizant, and Reliance Entertainment, and other companies. Okay, and this is our community app. It is called HODN. If you go to Instagram and search for HODN, you will find this app. All the activities that are happening in the campus every day, whatever is happening. If you want to see Digital Nest virtually, you can go to humans underscore of underscore DN, or you can type HODN, humans of Digital Nest. You'll be able to see what is happening in the campus. And for community building, we have LinkedIn groups. So this is one batch, CDP07M, or let me show you the LinkedIn groups, how we use it. So entire classes would happen on LinkedIn. So because we want you guys to be professionally connected. These are all the batches that are happening currently. So let me go to CDPH 4 p.m. batch. Okay, there's a group. There are 94 students in this particular batch. If you want to see who the students are, you can network with them. Someone is a scrum master, one is a business development executive, one is into this. So you can see all these people are part of this batch, and you can network with them. And the entire assignment, assessments, and everything would be given to you guys here itself. Okay. And so every day the like the trainer would be giving an questionnaire, and people would be commenting with their assessment, with their assignments as a comments, and trainer would be replying. So we are using LinkedIn groups as secret groups for training purpose, and we also have a community group for alumni as well. So this is all about LinkedIn groups, and these are some of the certifications that you people would be getting. One from Jane University, from Google Ads, Google Analytics, Facebook, Google Display Ads, Google Shopping, Bing Ads, HubSpot, and Hootsuite. And this is a course completion certificate from Digital Nest. And then moving on to tools. These are some of the tools: HubSpot, Meta, Buffer, Canva, Facebook ads, MetaSuite, Uber Suggest, and others. And there are many more tools that we'll be teaching you as a part of the course. And if you go to our website, you'll be able to see the names of the tools as well. And will be all the brand case studies will be covered in the course, like how Mamaearth is using Instagram for marketing, how Make My Trip is using to increase its sales, or how urban companies using pantaloons, and many more case studies. For every module, there are 4 to 5 case studies that we guys will be teaching. And we'll also give you capstone projects from Sugar, Blinkit, Razorpay, and others as well. And this is the infrastructure of the campus. So this is more of a business school kind of infrastructure that we have. This classroom one, this is classroom two, and these are some of the classrooms. And if you are a digital marketer, you can go for a full-time job, or you can start a business, or you can set up an agency, or you can take up freelancing. So you are in a chaurasta, you can go anywhere. Okay. And who can learn digital marketing? Working professionals looking for job change, or job seekers, or working professionals who are planning to upskill. Students from 10 standards to PG, anyone, whether you are from pharmacy or from mechanical or biotech, or it's, there is nothing as such. Anyone can learn this program. It's very easy. If you know to operate a smartphone and a laptop, more than enough. You can learn this. And business owners and freelancers. So this will be the target audience who can learn. And this is where we people are located, next to the metro station of High Tech City, 2 minutes walkable distance from the High Tech City metro station or Durgam Cheru metro station. We are located very next to the High Tech City at Hyderabad. And yeah, I think I'm done, guys. Now, let me go here. Let me talk about anything else that I missed. Okay, then we already discussed about companies and packages. The average package at Digital Nest will be 3.5 to 6.5 is the average. Mean package, I would say. Highest might be more than that, or lowest can be that. But this is the mean package that we'll ask the recruiters to what invest. And you can work for MNCs, or you can work for startups. There are jobs in MNCs. There are also jobs in startups as well. You can choose based on your, based on your skill set, or based on your job security. You can choose whatsoever it is. We'll also help with 100% internships as well. And the entire program is 100% job guarantee program for if you're opting for 5 months or longer programs other than 5 months. For boot camps, that is short programs, we only have job assistance. That means we will send you the openings, but there is no guarantee. It is you who has to crack the interviews, but interviews will be sent to everybody equally. And this is all about career opportunities. Why digitalness? I have already given you the idea. And I think last but not the least, let me also reveal the pricing of the programs. The fast track is sitting at 29.5K, inclusive of taxes. Uh, and the midterm is 65K plus GST plus taxes. And the 11 months program is sitting at 1.5 lakhs plus taxes. And the OJT program is sitting at 2.5 lakh plus taxes. So this is the what program for you guys. Now over to you guys. If you people have any questions, then you can ask. I could see few people asking few questions. Uh, you can unmute and you can talk, guys. I'm done. I think now the time is 9:07. We spent a lot of time. Okay, the question basically people are asking is about career gap. So even though you people are having career gap, you can apply for, you can learn this program. There's no problem. Regarding the job market for career gap people also, I'll tell you how you people have to start. In case if you people are having backlogs, or you are a 2019 pass out, you don't know what to do, and in 2024 you realize that you have to go for a job, or you have to learn something. For career gap people, or for the people who are having education gaps or whatsoever it is, my suggestion to them basically is don't directly apply for job. If you apply for job, HR will ask you the first question they'll ask you is, why are you having this gap? So to answer that question, you people have to go for a 6 months internship. Okay. During this internship, what will happen is this 6 months may we will help you guys. You need not have to worry at all. We are having a lot of placements with us. We don't have any problem. The problem is the digital marketing, the market is like this. Jobs are more, the candidates are less in the market. That's the beauty of this particular course. Unlike Java, Python, AWS, and other courses, this is a niche course. It is not taught in colleges or others. So the and after Corona and after pandemic, every business has gone online. So the recruitments are like, there are a lot of recruitments. There is no problem at all. Only the problem the market is facing is skills. If a person is having good skill, they are ready to pay good package. Okay, getting a job is very, very easy. I would say 10K salary to simple. You can getting a job is not a problem at all. It is all about how much package you're going to get. That will depend on your scores. Now, for the people who are having career gap, my request to them, or housewives who want to restart the career, or for the people who are having backlogs or something, go for a 6 months internship or apprenticeship with any company. Gain 6 months of experience later, get that experience later, and come to us again. Okay, come back to us. What we will do is our placement team will take your resumes and we'll push to the recruiter stating that in this 6 months, this guy has done this many assignments or projects and he has completed all this. Why don't you give a chance? And then that's where the placement would happen. And for you to answer the recruiter question also, see, in 6 months, this is what I have done. So you can ignore my past and you can focus on this. Maybe if you're paying less salary, also no problem. I'm ready to work, but I want to start. So for that, to create that confidence in the recruiter, then definitely you should have some internship program happening, and post 6 months of your internship only you should apply for what jobs. So you should have patience for learning this program, and you have to invest another 6 months, then only you will be able to settle in this domain. Or else if you are going directly, if there's luck, you can directly get if you are very talented. If not, then then you have to answer the questions that the recruiter is going to ask. So this is the answer for the people who are looking for what career gaps. Is there any chance to do work from home? Yeah, there are right now also 50% of the jobs in digital marketing are still on work from home. But we do not, I cannot guarantee whether you will get work from home, but we are getting many openings for work from home as well, because the business keeps changing. In 2025, how the recruitment is, in 2026 will not have the same. So market scenario we cannot predict, but right now, as of today in 2024, still there are a lot of work from home openings for digital marketers. Then what about freshers in this field with career gap? I already spoke to Sujita. The people who are having freshers who are having career gap, or people who are having career gap with work experience, the solution and suggestion, 2022 won't be a problem. You cannot call this to be a career gap. Directly you can get placed, not a problem. If it is 2021 or 3 to 4 years, they'll ask, but 2022 is not a big gap, I would say. You can get a job directly. To build a career in digital marketing, which program do you can suggest? So there are four programs that are there. Okay, the lengthy the program, the best the learning is, I would say. So if you consider here, we have all the four programs, or I would say all the four programs are good. Your decision of whether you have to choose A, B, C, or D will depend on two important things: is money plus time. How much you are ready to invest time and money will decide whether, if you have more money, go for a longer. If you have more time, and if you have enough time and enough money, then go for longer program, because the bigger the program, the more the learning is, more the practice is, more the stringent exercises, more, and then that will help you to grow faster in the evolving digital marketing domain. So it all depends on time and money that you invest, guys. So that's the answer for, but I wouldn't recommend A, B, C, or D. It all depends on your financial part and your time. Right. Packages are same for all the programs. No, packages will differ, because when you go for an MBA program, then definitely the recruiters has to consider, because you spent 1 year of period, you did a lot of assignment and assessment. So definitely from our placement team, definitely we will bargain with the recruiters to give you the best packages. So the bigger the program is, then definitely the packages might differ, and it all depends on you, how you are going to present yourself in the interview as well.
Sir,
That
I
is,
have one doubt.
yeah.
So the curriculum, what's the difference in the curriculum between 2 months and 5 months course,
The
sir?
2 months is e-commerce marketing will not be covered. Okay. Then followed by these advanced modules like marketing automations and all this. Only Google Ads and Meta Ads would be covered. LinkedIn, Twitter, mobile advertising, native advertising, influencer, OTT advertising. All this will not be there. It will cover all the basic digital marketing concepts, and it will be fast. Fast means
So
uh,
how much package can we expect if we go with 2 months course, sir? Because so I would like to share my.
So basically, it doesn't depend on the duration. It all depends on you, how much skill set that you are having, and how. See, basically, you go to a gym. Okay, you spent
Right.
2 months, may you became thin, but a person who is spending 1 year also, he's not becoming thin, because his dedication. Though he's spending there longer period, if he's doing good assignments and everything, maybe he can. So it all depends on the candidate.
Uh,
So generally, the packages are this. The average packages are in the market 3.5 to 6.5 what average a digital marketer is what getting.
Sir, I'm ready to spend 2 months or 5 months, but not more than that because I have been passed out in 2022, sir. I had planned to go for masters. It didn't work out.
Okay.
So there is bit pressure from my parents, and also I'm a bit confusion. Should I go with 2 months or
See,
5 months?
see, 2 months, may you'll get the entire outline of what digital marketing is. Got
Mm.
it. If you
Mm.
go for 5 months, you will learn exactly because every module, one month we are teaching. Here we are
Yes.
teaching 15 days.
Mm.
Here, along with 5 months, we are teaching generative AI, we are teaching marketing automations, we are covering generative AI, but bits and pieces. Here, more in detail of a master's level program. It is like an MBA level program you'll be getting from where? From university. So you need to, but m- most if you want to make a solid career, then I would recommend go for
Five
a
months.
8 months program based on this. 2 months I would suggest for the people who are financially low, but mere ko, if I get a job, fine. Salary doesn't matter for me. For me right now, some 15,000, 20,000 is fine. So I'll go and get it done. Later I'll learn. Later I'll upskill. Both. So that's the reason I'm telling you. The decision is based on what?
Money plus time.
As simple as that. So more you invest, more you want mini pizza, medium pizza, large pizza, or extra large pizza, you decide based on your tummy size and based on the money in your pocket. As simple as that.
So, how about the placements, like from the day of the joining? So, based on our upgrading skills, we'll be having a chance to apply, or after the completion of the course?
So basically, if a recruiter wants to recruit you, first we'll start with digital assets, right? Digital assets, recruiters do not want you, they do not want to see your graphic designing, video editing. For them, what they want to see is digital marketing. So if you're going for 5 months program, at least after 3.5 months, you can start applying for what? Jobs.
Okay.
Or if you want to start immediately from day one, then you can start applying for you can attend classes and you can also go for internships. But internships in website designing and all will not be there. So it's better wait for what at least 2.5 months to 3 months if you are going for 5 months program.
Okay, sir. There is a EMI option, sir, for
Yeah,
the.
there is an EMI options. You can pay in 2 installments. We also have education loan from Bajaj Allianz as well.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So the next batch will be starting from Jan 16th, right?
Sorry, I don't have calendars with me because
Okay.
this they asked me to take a session because I didn't
Okay.
have any calendars with me. I think post this session, you guys will be getting a call from my program consulting. I mean program consultants. They'll WhatsApp you and they'll give you more details about the upcoming batches. And if you have any questions related to fee or loans or installment, I think they'll be the right people. But
Yes.
related to course, related to topics or something technical, I am ready to help you guys. Okay. Then any other questions? After joining 2 months course, later if I want 5 months program fees and duration reduced. No, no, no. It's waste of money, guys. You either you choose 2 or 5 or yeah. We don't have this kind of program ki 2 months ke baad again 3 months. ऐसा नहीं है. This again it will start from scratch. Again from zero you have to start. So it's a wasting your time as well as your money. So you will have to take your decision well in advance. Okay. So you have to take either of this. So there's nothing concept key. First I'll do this, then I'll go to this, and this will not work. So it's better you choose any one among this. And right, any other questions from anyone, guys? Anchal,
Uh,
Nikhil, any questions from anyone?
Sir, if we opt for a online,
Mm-hmm.
how efficient it is for a newcomer, new beginner?
Now you are sitting on online. Is it efficient or not?
It is efficient, but queries,
No,
resolutions.
everything is, see, similarly now how I'm talking to you, the same the online class will happen. So you will ask a question, we will answer your questions. Or you will be sharing your screen, we will be checking your assignments. It will remain same only. The only difference is maybe we will not have that traditional classroom vibe will not be there. But online, if you want to go, it all depends on your time, right? Again, by who will choose for online. So basically online, who will choose? Someone who is having time constraint, who cannot travel
Hmm.
for them either
No,
with goers
time
or
travel is one. Travel is one, and I'm working.
yeah, working, that's it.
So that,
So for working professionals or people who are going for colleges, for them this is best. For the people who are sitting idle, if they are in Hyderabad, I would recommend them to come for what classroom only. So that's the thing. But you will get the same experience will be there. Only difference is they're mingling with group, coming, chit chatting, and all this will not be there. Like in a traditional what events that you go. Okay, it will be more of what
Mm,
virtual conversation. That's the only difference.
correct.
Concept will remain same. Your doubts also, if you are like how you are talking to me right now, the same will be answering your query. Then I'll stop sharing the screen. We'll ask you to share your screen. The same. We will be checking your assignments. Everything will remain same. The only difference is you will not find that what classroom kind of vibe. Apart from that, rest everything will remain same.
Okay.
Okay, so I already told Ki we have online, we also have offline, we also have e-learning, we also have hybrid. So you can talk to our team and you can get information about the programs, guys. So that is also answered. Right. Any other questions? Any other questions, guys, from anyone? Any other questions? So if there are no questions, then good to go. Then we'll end for the day. And thank you so much for attending the session. And in case if you people are signing up, then let's meet, let's party, let's catch up, guys. And I wish you a happy Christmas and New Year in advance. And thank you for your patience for sticking on to the screen for 2 hours, I suppose. Right. And it was a great session and hope to meet you guys soon. Bye, guys. Signing off.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.